Gates open, they're up and racing. Azucarera de Mama draws for your lead, moving a party outside. Sir Barbaro, leaving the lights now, diving on the outside is the favorite. Double the charm, then next in line is Monte Napoleon. Barkadahan is on the outside, followed by Jigsaw Star, Victorian Stones. Then comes Swab Tiger, and Inspiring is running at the tail of the field as they head towards the last 600. Now we have double the charm, this time leading the field by a length. Sir Barbaro is on the outside. Running by the rail is Living the Lights, racing in fourth by the rail. Azucarera de Mama. Barkadahan is on the outside. Monte Napoleon is sneaking in down on the inside with the last 150 more to run. We have double the charm, this time by about 6 lengths. Moving up by the rail is Monte Napoleon. We have entry number 9, double the charm. Monte Napoleon moving up by the rail, charging late, and finally double the charm, Monte Napoleon. Then comes number 5, Azucarera de Mama, Barkadahan, and Victorian Stones for your Pentapecta.